channel. Hello. So your girl is officially in vacation prep mode. Okay, it is Sunday morning and I'm about to go get my hair done. I'm just waiting for my Uber. Like, oh my gosh, Uber is giving me so many problems lately. I'm starting to feel like, you know what, maybe I do need a car. From my mouth to God's ears. Hallelujah, amen and amen. But anyway, I am sitting in that chair we got the other day, in the other vlog. If you haven't watched the vlog, go ahead and watch it. I will link it right now. But yeah, it is so lovely. I'll give you guys a proper look at it when I get back. I am so excited, y'all. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. But I am so nervous because in the next 3-4 days there's so much to do. I didn't even get to go do my nails on Friday. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do them before I leave, but I'm not really mad at that. It's okay. Nails done, nails not done, it's okay as long as my hair is done, because I don't want to have to comb my hair or style my hair every single day for the next 10 days. So let's go to the salon and I am back home. I've been home for quite some time, but I had to get ready, because Kendra and I had to shoot for a campaign that we're doing together, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we just finished up. What time is it? Oh, it's 6. I know it's 6 because the lights just came back. And yeah, let me get undressed and take off this makeup. It's hot as shit. And yeah, start editing. Anyway. Oh, here's my hair. So cute, eh? They mix color 27 with platinum, or is it white? I'm not sure, but yeah, so cute. But it just occurred to me, I'm vlogging! It occurred to me after the Sun City trip that I left my bonnet in Sun City. So I'm trying to like keep my head together with all these scarves and it's not working. So I'm probably gonna have to go get a bonnet today or tomorrow. But it is Monday. It is, what is it? The 15th? The 16th? 15th? I'm not sure, one of the two. But officially 2 days left before I head to Hong Kong. Yesterday I called my mom to remind her that I'm leaving, and y'all, she freaked me out so much. I have so much to do. She reminded me that I need to call my bank. I need to call my service provider so I can be able to use my phone. I'm calling my bank so I can be able to use my card. Yeah, and I need to go buy toiletries, travel ones if possible. So today, load shedding is about to hit in like 2 minutes or so. And we're on stage 6. I love my cute little mugs. How cute are these? Cute, huh? I got them at Mr. Price. Babe, do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Okay. But yeah, load shedding is about to hit and we're on stage 4. I mean stage 6, which means that we don't have lights for 4 hours. So hopefully my laptop is all the way charged up, so for the next 4 hours I can just bash out this editing. I said I was gonna show you guys the chair yesterday, but I forgot because I was filming with Kendra when I got back from the hair salon. But here it is, guys. The chair is home and it looks so cute. Okay, so it is now 11:30. I have 1 hour left to go in this load shedding, and I just had to get something to eat. I was planning on waiting for the light to come back so I can cook, because I'm trying to like not order so much, but I'm hungry now, so what can I do? I managed to call my bank and I talked to my mom. She wants to meet up for dinner. I actually talked to her yesterday. Today she called me and she's like, can we meet up for dinner before you leave? So we're gonna try meet up for dinner later. I managed to do a lot of editing, but my laptop died. And it's load shedding, so I can't continue. I'm waiting for the lights to come back so I can finish up and send everything out. What else did I manage to do? Oh, I found out that I have to take a COVID test. My friend also told me that maybe I can get it done at... Hold up, my sister's calling me. Hey, Sadie.
Hey, Country.
What's up?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, wait, I don't want to say that. Just hold on. I'll call you back.
Girl, okay. I think I'm gonna have to pack tomorrow, which I hate. I hate packing the day before. The day before I want to be relaxed. But it looks like I'm gonna have to pack tomorrow. And yo, guys, I am waiting for my swimsuits. My one swimsuit is supposed to arrive tomorrow. And my other swimsuits, I got an email today that they are going to arrive on Thursday. Now I'm leaving on Wednesday, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I am just hoping for the best. Maybe even Wednesday morning. Like I am, I am hoping for the best. But if they don't arrive on time, what can I do? I'm just gonna take them back and take the ones that I have. Yeah, so I'm a little bit all over the place right now. As you can tell, but I'm just trying to get through it. I think if I can get through today, yeah, I'll be okay. I think I'll be okay. Another thing is that I realized that my makeup is finished. My setting spray finished yesterday. My powders, my loose powders finished yesterday. My concealer finished yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the mall and get that done. And I also have to print out my vaccine stuff. Yo, traveling is a lot. But we're gonna get this done. We already bought the tickets and paid for accommodation. We're gonna get this done. Okay, we are gonna get this done. So my swimsuit just got here. The one that was supposed to arrive tomorrow, it just got here. So I am praying to the Lord God, my Redeemer, my Provider, that the other ones arrive tomorrow or Wednesday morning. You know what I'm saying? Here it is. It's now time to go meet my mom and sister for dinner. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to Santon. Hey Deb.
I don't eat much. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
Thank you. Oh my god, 2 pieces? That's crazy.
Oh my head.
Eric tla founela go sasa papa go tsaka Okay, Dad.
What?
Just got home, so I am starting with the laundry. Oh my god, y'all, it is the day of the vacation. So yesterday I didn't vlog because I had so much to do. I left really early in the morning and went to the mall, sorted out my Wi-Fi, got my documents printed out, bought some toiletries and stuff. Then I came back, finished off some work, sent it in. Yes, sent it in, then got to packing before load shedding hit. So yeah, man, we got it done. And y'all, I am currently waiting for my swimsuits to arrive. I have 2 more hours before I have to leave for the airport, and I got a message earlier this morning that my swimsuits are gonna be delivered today. So I'm just hoping they come within the next hour and a half or 2 hours, because I just wanted to share a little bit of traveling information with you guys. So depending on where you're going, you're going to have to take a COVID test, and you can take that at the airport. There is a RAT test, which is the rapid test. It is around 300 Rand, and then they told me that there is also the PCR test, which is around 1,000 Rand. So yeah, if you're traveling anytime soon and you need to do your test, you can do it at the airport. Just bring some money. But yeah, man, thank you so much for watching my vlog until the very end. The next time you see me, I'm probably gonna be at the airport on my way to Hong Kong. So yeah, man, until then, I'm gonna see you when I see you. Peace.